Hello, it's me, Thick and I am doing a video on a fruit that was in, I guess, Mesoamerican area called Pitaya. Anyway, I'll be showing you how it looks like inside and give you random facts. They look like tunas, but they're not. They're known as pitayas. You can see. Well, the funny part about how I got these was, you can see, it looks almost like dragon fruit, but it's not. See? Even though my mom calls the Asian pitaya as Pataya, I think she says, or Pitaya, I think. I don't remember, but I think it's Pataya compared to the pitaya. You can see, almost look like blood. Will sting your clothes if you put it on. Not bad. But you can see they have thorns. Usually I'm used to them being maybe 4 times bigger than that, like at least like that, not like that. You know, I don't want to put my hand because I'm going to get cut. Based on David Vasquez's, he said pitaya, and now it was pitaya. There's one of the thorns. Not bad, though. When I was trying to take off the fruit off the skin, there was a thorn that pierced through it. So I guess they had them for a while, or they got a little bit abused. Well, usually the ones I grew up with, at least, were from my dad's hometown, and the town was influenced by the name of the fruit growing on the cactus. So their it's called Juchitlan, but it was a Spanishized of Nahuatl called Xochitlan because it was near the flowers. Because when you see pitayas grow on it's a particular cactus, it blooms like crazy around this time. So, very good. A little sour, so I think they got them before they were fully ready. Because usually they're a little sweet, not super sweet, but it's a light sweet. If you were to do rose sauce, this will make the rose sauce nice and red and pinkish, as you can see. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hopefully it was educational. Anyway, take care and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.